It will glow our skin, tighten our skin, and of course wrinkles free. And yeah, one more ingredient we have to put